Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Today I introduce Arabic gown's outfit. This breathtaking Arabic gown is a true reflection of timeless Middle Eastern luxury design with a flowing silhouette. The gown drapes beautifully, creating a regular and graceful look. Intricate detailing along the neckline and sleeves add a touch of sophistication, while the rich fabric enhances movement and comfort, perfect for formal gatherings, weddings, and grand celebrations. This gown blends tradition with modern elegance, effortless a desert pearl embroidered gown inspired by the beauty of Arabian heritage. This gown features exquisite embroidery that highlight artisan craftsmanship. The long border skirt offers a flattering fit for all body types, while the soft breathable fabric ensures all-day comfort. Its refined design makes it ideal for evening events, festive occasions, and cultural celebration, where elegance is essential. Majestic Arabian nightgowns. This luxurious design captures the charm this luxurious gown captures the charm of Arabian Nights with its flowing layers of elegant finish designed for women who appreciate grace, sophistication. It features subtle embellishment that enhance its overall beauty without overpowering the look. Pair it with statement jewelry for weddings, each celebration formal choices. Sultana Grace floor length gowns are perfect for a balance of modesty and glamour. This Arabic gown showcases floor length design with a soft flattering drape. The carefully crafted details and premium quality fabric offer a polished and refined appearance, suitable for bridal events, engagement ceremonies, and high-end or formal occasions. This gown executes royal charm, timeless Middle Eastern luxury gown. Crafted from luxurious elegance and comfort, this Arabic gown reflects classic Middle Eastern fashion with a contemporary touch. The loose, fitting silhouette allows ease of movement while maintaining a graceful flow. It maintains yet luxurious design, make it a versatile choice for evening wear, festive gatherings, and upscale events. Royal Arabic gowns step into the world of regular sophistication with these Royal Arabian gowns. Crafted from premium quality fabric, it drapes flawless to create a graceful silhouette. The delicate embroidery along the neckline, cuffs, and hems add a touch of artisan charms, while the subtle beadwork brings a gentle shimmer under soft light, perfect for weddings, formal gatherings, or evening celebration. This gown embodies timeless Middle Eastern luxury. Desert pearl embroidered gown inspired by the serene beauty of the desert. This gown features intricate pearl and thread embroidery that speaks of fine craftsmanship with modesty yet flattering floor length. Design makes it comfortable for all day wear, while the soft lining ensures a lightweight feel, ideal for festive occasions, Eid celebrations, and grand evening events. It is a statement of elegance and refinement. Majestic Arabian nightgown, enhancing and sophisticated, the majestic Arabian nightgown captures the allure of moonlight and Arabian evening. The flowing silhouette executed delicate embellishments on the bodies and sleeves create a harmonious balance between tradition and modernity. Paired with gold or silver jewelry for elevate this charm or formal dinners, cultural events, and luxury choices. Sultana Grace floor length gown executing royal elegance, and Sultana Grace gowns features a floor length design that plays soft layers and subtle embroidery along neckline cuffs provide depth and textures perfect for engagement parties, bridal shower, or Eid events. This gown offers a regular presence while maintaining comfort and freedom of movement. Timeless Middle Eastern luxury gown. This gown is celebrations of classic Arabian fashion of a contemporary twist. It relaxed yet flowing silhouette allows ease of movement, while fine detailing on the sleeves, neckline, and hem add a luxurious finish ideal for festive gatherings, formal receptions, and evening parties. This gown is a versatile masterpiece of style elegance. Royal Oasis evening gowns designed for women who appreciate elegance. The Royal Oasis gowns features an executed blend of traditional embroidery and modern tailoring. The soft fabric flows effortlessly with each step, giving a majestic ethereal appearance, perfect for weddings, high-end parties, and formal occasions where sophistication is essential. Moonlight Mirage gowns. The Moonlight Mirage gowns captures an aura of mighty hue and grace, lightweight, luxurious fabric drapes elegantly over the body while carefully placed embellishments and subtle sparkle ideal for formal evening wear, Eid gatherings, and luxury reception. This gown is both modest and mesmerizing. Pearl of the desert gowns. This gown executes delicate charm with pearls studded embroidery and intricate thread work. Its flowing silhouette ensures graceful movement, while its elegant designs make it perfect choice for grand celebrations, family gatherings, or upscale evening events. A timeless piece that merges a heritage with the modern glamour, express of an Arabian gown, a regular statement of any event. The Empress of Arabian gown featured luxurious fabric, intricate embroidery, and a graceful floor length design perfect for bride, wedding guests, and anyone attending a high-profile celebrations. It's the point of elegance, showcasing Middle Eastern allure. Golden dunes, luxury gown inspired by the shimmer of desert stands at sunset. This gown showcases golden thread, embroidery, a flowing salute, and a graceful neckline, ideal for evening event, festive celebration, formal parties. It combines comfort and match elegance. Royal Arabian elegance gown flowing luxury meets regular design. Intricate embroidery along the neckline and sleeves elevate this gown, making it ideal for wedding, galas, festive celebration. Desert pearl embroidered gown inspired by desert beauty. This gown features delicate pearl work and thread embroidery. It modest floor length cut, perfect for Eid or evening parties. Majestic Arabian night gown flowing layers with subtle beadwork capture the magic of Arabian nights. Pair with the statement jewelry for an unforgettable evening glance, elegance. Sultana Grace floor length gown, a regal silhouette elegance with the soft pleats and delicate cuffs, ideal for bridal shower engagements or formal gatherings. Timeless Middle Eastern luxury gown, a perfect blend of tradition and modernity, lightweight and flowing fabric with elegant embroidery to upscale evening events. Royal Oasis evening gown designed for refined taste. This gown flows effortlessly with embroidery designs perfect for grand parties and cultural events. Moonlit Merger's gown capturing majesty of grace. This gown soft drape and subtle embellishment make it a perfect for festive and luxury receptions. Pearl of the Desert gown, pearl standard embroidery with a flowing silhouette, ideal for elegant family gatherings or upscale cultural events. Empresses of Arabian gown, luxurious fabric, intricate detailing, and a floor length silhouette designed for brides for wedding guests. Golden dunes, luxury gown inspired by desert sunsets, golden embroidery, and flowing fabric create an unmatched elegance for evening. Korean Arabian rose evening gowns, soft floral embroidered and delicate beadworks highlight the charm of this gown, perfect for formal parties. Sapphire sands gowns, deep sapphire hues with the flowing layers and intricate embroidery create an luxurious, majestic presence. For Gala's event, Oasis garden gowns, a scenery of nature inspired by design with embroidered motifs and soft fabric weddings or formal celebration. Celestial nights, Arabic gowns, star-like beadwork and flowing silhouette captures a delicious or ideal for evening event. Crochet galas, majestic gown, elegant folds with subtle metallic embroidery evoke the calm beauty of moonlight night and perfect for upscale parties, regular marriage, floor-length gowns, royal designs with embroidered along bodies and sleeves, perfect for traditional weddings or formal occasion. Desert bloom luxury gowns inspired by blooming deserts flowing. This gown combines elegant embroidery and flow of the graceful appearance. Tray sand gowns, fine beadwork shimmering like desert stars paired with flowing soft fabric perfect for luscious evening wear. Pearl Oasis evening gown, a delicate combination of pearl embroidery and airy fabric perfect for Eid celebration, formal receptions. Arabian twirling gowns, deep elegant tones with intricate thread work make this gown perfect for galas events, weddings and special occasions. Royal heritage gown, classic Arabian design with modern tailoring, luxurious fabric and detailing embroidery for a timeless statement. Golden mirage evening gowns, golden threads and soft flowing layers create a regular aura of weddings, parties and cultural events. Sultana pearl gowns, a harmonious blend of pearls and embroidery along the hem and neckline, designed for elegance and sophistication. Desert night elegance gowns, soft flowing fabric with subtle sparkle, capture the scenery beauty of Arabian nights, ideal for formal gathering. Mystical pearl gowns, intricate pearl embroidery and delicate beadwork make this gown perfect for weddings, Eid and celebration, luxury evening events, and Royal Arabian elegance gown flowing luxury meets dagger, designed with delicate embroidery along the neckline, cuffs, and hem. Ideal for weddings, galas, and festive celebration. Desert pearl embroidered gown, inspired by the chicanery and desert, featuring intricate pearl and thread embroidery, modest floor length, perfect for evening events. Majestic Arabian night gown, flowing layers with a subtle beadwork, capture the Magic of Arabian Nights, elegant for formal dinners and luxury suites. Sultana Grace floor length gown, regal pleat, soft layer, intricate embroidery along sleeves and neckline make this gown perfect for engagement ceremonies. Timeless Middle Eastern luxury gowns, classic Arabian design with modern flair, lightweight flowing fabric with elegant detailing for upscale evening events. Royal House's evening gowns, refined flowing fabric with embroidery accents, perfect for cultural events and grand parties. Moonlit marriage gowns, subtle embellishments, and soft draping create a mysterious and elegant look for Eid gatherings and formal reception. Pearl of the desert gowns, pearl standard embroidery with flowing silhouette, ideal for family celebrations or upscale cultural events. Impress Arabic gowns, luxurious fabric and floor length, elegance for design for brides, wedding guests, or high-profile occasions. Golden Dunes luxury gowns, golden thread embroidery inspired by desert, sunsets, flowy, regular and perfect for evening galas, Arabian rose evening gowns, floral embroidery and delicate beadwork, perfect for elegant formal parties, sapphire sand gowns, deep sapphire hues with rare design intricate embroidery, creating a majestic presence of galas event. Osis garden gown is neutral, inspired by embroidery and soft flowing fabric, ideal for wedding and festive celebration. Celestial Nights Arabian gown, star-like beadwork and flowing layers capture a glacial aura ideal for evening cultural galas. Majestic moon gowns, elegant folds with meticulous embroidery evoke the calm beauty of moonlight nights and perfect for upscale parties. Regular marriage floor-length gowns, royal design with embroidered bodies and sleeves, ideal for traditional weddings and formal events. Desert bloom luxury gowns inspired by bloom pink desert flowers, and these gowns combines elegance, embroidery of flowing fabrics for grace. Today, sand gowns, fine beadwork shimmering like desert star paired with soft flowing fabric for luxurious evening wear. Pearl Oasis evening gown, delicate combination of pearl embroidery and airy fabric, perfect for Eid or formal receptions. Arabian trailing gowns, deep elegant tones with intricate threadwork, perfect for galas event, weddings or special occasion. Royal heritage gowns, classic Arabian design with modern tailoring, luxurious fabric and embroidery for timeless treatment. Golden marriage evening gowns, golden threads and soft flowing layers create a regular aura for weddings and cultural celebrations. Sultana pearl gowns, pearl embroidery along hem and neckline for a sophisticated and elegant presence. Desert night elegance gowns, soft flowing fabric with subtle sparkle feature the scenery beauty of Arabian Nights, ideal for formal gatherings. Mystical pearl gowns, intricate pearl embroidery and delicate beadwork make this gown perfect for weddings, Eid and luxurious evening events. Midnight Oasis gowns, dark jewel tones, featuring intricate golden embroidery on flowing fabric, perfect for weddings. Royal jasmine floor length gowns, soft jasmine colored fabric with delicate shade work, elegant for engagement parties and Eid celebration. Arabian princess gowns, flowing layers with intricate neckline, embroidered ideal for bridesmaids or high-end evening events. Moonlight pearl gowns, pearl and sequins detailing create a luminous effect perfect for night wedding and formal gatherings. Desert rose evening gown, romantic floor embroidery with soft flowy fabric with the weddings, Eid celebrations, sapphire marriage gowns, rich sapphire hues with delicate embroidery for elegant evening or cultural events. Celestial pearl gowns, stray beadwork on luxurious fabric for glamorous evening and party wear. Royal marriage embroidered gown, fine embroidery with flowing silhouette for traditional modern formal occasions. Oasis Bloom luxury gowns, nature inspired motifs with the soft drape and wedding engagements for Eid events, golden twirling gowns, golden accents and flowing fabric designs for a majestic evening look, Arabian star gowns, beadwork, stars motifs and with elegant draping are streaking and gala appearance, desert pearl night gowns, delicate pearl work on flowing fabric ideal for weddings, engagements or cultural events, moonlit Oasis gowns, flowing layers with subtle shimmer, perfect for formal evening celebrations. Sultana rose embroidered gown, royal elegance with embroidered floral design and floor length silhouette. Arabian sunset luxury gowns, warm golden tones and delicate embroidery for evening and wedding events. Mystics marriage evening gowns, luxurious fabric and beadwork create a regular look for galas, parties and formal weddings. Desert star luxury gown, elegant star-like beadwork paired with flowing silhouette for sophisticated evening wear. Royal pearl embroidered gown, pearlescent along hem and bodies add delicate sparkle of this flowing floor length gown, twirling marriage Gowns of metallic embroidery and flowing layers evoke desert dwelling elegance. Moonlit pearl evening gowns, luxurious pearl embroidery with soft fabric for galas, wedding or Eid events. Arabian jewel gowns, rich jewel tones with delicate threadwork, perfect for formal parties, weddings. Desert mode elegance gowns, flowing silk with the subtle metallic embroidery captures the scenery. Desert night Sultana nightgowns, regal embroidery along neckline curves, ideal for upscale cultural gatherings and weddings. Osis pearl floor length gown, delicate pearls and embroidered enhances this flowing gown, perfect for formal events, wedding and Eid. Royal midnight gowns, deep midnight blue flowing fabric with golden threads embroidered along the neckline and hem, perfect for evening weddings and galas parties. Pearl Dews evening gowns, soft ivory fabric adorned with pearl embroidery, mimicking deserts, dunes, and ideal for Eid and festive celebrations. Arabian jewel blossoms gown, vibrant jewel tones with floral embroidery, creating a striking presence at weddings and engagement parties. Sultana elegance gown, floor length silhouette with subtle metallic embroidery and soft pleats, ideal for formal cultural events. Golden marriage princess gowns, golden threadwork, allowing flowing layers, create a rather glamorous look. Perfect for bride, high profile event twillings, Osis gowns, soft twilling colored fabric with delicate beading along the body is ideal for evening occasion. Moonlit grace gowns, shimmering fabric with pearl detailing and flowing layers, perfect for gala event and formal receptions. Desert bloom evening gown, floral embroidery with flowing silhouette designed for weddings, engagement parties, and Eid gatherings. Arabian stray night gowns, dark fabric with stars like beadwork, offering a mystical, luxurious look for evening events. Sapphire pearl gown, rich sapphire fabric with pearl embroidery along neckline and sleeves. Ideal for luxurious wedding and formal parties. Royal desert elegance gown, flowing fabric with intricate embroidery, inspired by desert landscapes. Perfect for formal events and cultural celebration, mystic pearl floor-length gown, soft flowing layers enhanced with pearl embellishment, creating a majestic appearance for weddings and festive events. Classical grace Arabic gowns, strays, motifs embroidered delicately along the hem and sleeves, perfect for galas and evening cultural events. Ossi jeweled gowns, soft petals and hues with jewel tones embroidery ideal for daytime formal Korean Eid celebrations and moonlight dews luxury gown light metallic thread embroidery paired with flowing fabric captures the calm elegance of moonlit deserts sultana rose garden gowns delicate floral embroidery along sleeves and hem with floral fabric and with the weddings for festive gatherings Arabian twilling luxury gown deep twilling hues with metallic gowns. Thank you for watching my video.